Freecash advance limits can get stuck when the account does not meet the platform's current requirements for increasing or using the available limit. By the end, you'll know the main reasons your Freecash advance limit may be stuck, and the steps to check before contacting support. The first thing to check is your Freecash account status. Limits are usually connected to account activity, verification steps, and platform requirements. Open Freecash and review your account settings, payment information, and any pending verification requests. Missing account details can prevent certain features from updating correctly. Another reason your advance limit may not change is incomplete account activity. If Freecash requires specific actions before increasing access, you need to complete those steps first. Check your dashboard for unfinished tasks, notifications, or messages related to your account. Any pending requirement can affect your available options. You should also check that your account information is accurate. Details such as your personal information and payment information should match your actual information. If you recently changed account details, the system may need time to update before the limit changes. Avoid repeatedly attempting the same action without checking the cause. If the issue is related to verification or account requirements, trying again without fixing the problem usually will not change the result. Another step is checking the Freecash app or website for updates. App versions, account features, and available options can change over time. If your advance limit remains stuck after checking everything, contact Freecash support through the official help options. Explain that your advance limit is not updating and include the details of what you already checked. When contacting support, provide your account email and describe the exact issue you see. A clear explanation helps support identify whether the problem is related to verification, account status, or another restriction. The main fixes are simple. Check your account requirements, complete missing verification steps, confirm your information is correct, and contact Freecash support if the limit still does not update. Open Freecash and review your account dashboard before trying again so you can find the exact step blocking your advance limit. Subscribe for more Freecash troubleshooting guides and app fixes. And like the video if this helped you solve your account issue.